Table there, you bring the gift unwrapped. If you bring me a bag of diapers, your name goes into a drawing for a certificate dinner to a local restaurant. And whatever, so you want to bring me the hat, for a couple hours. It's kind of a nice idea, because you don't got to wrap it and all that kind of forced shit. And you don't got to sit there and be boring while you watch them overnight shit.
Hey.
You know? It's kind of cool like that. She's always thinking of innovative stuff these days. Yeah, so it's kind of cool.
Hey. Sammy. No chicken legs. Sam. Sam. Oh. Shut the hell up.
Oh, now, Tara, that's going to be in the background. Yeah, that's going to be in the background now. Shut the ATL. Uh-oh.
That's on the jury.
Oh, that's the jury that you got on.
Hey.
Well, Tara, now
Sam,
that's going to be some video.
So I can get a good picture. Here. Hey.
Here. Oh. I almost got trampled by a dog stampede. This video is coming out good.
Yeah.
Am I stepping on the toy? No. Maggie. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh! My God. Dog fight. Not real.
Hey.
Uh-oh. We have, the dogs that we have are, oh,
Alright, I'm not getting
my God.
Alright, it's time to stop. Stop.
Alright, alright. Hey! Here we have Maggie, the nice, obedient dog. Then we have Maya, the crazy, energetic psycho dog that has a loud bark for a 5-month-old puppy. And then we have the little bear cub who's bossy and mean. It's fluffy, just like a bear cub. Maya's going swimming. The psycho one. Well, Sam's psycho too. And Maggie's being the good girl she is. Maya, you going swimming? You drinking the water? Come on.
They're not going to stay. You got to line them all up. They're not going to stay. Maya will not stay. Get her by the collar. Zach will get her.
I can get Maggie over here like this. Maggie, come.
Maggie.
Come here, Maya. Maya.
Maggie, what's your
Come.
Come here.
Get this one.
Hey. What do you bark? What do you do?
Zach, grab Maya.
Here, just take a picture of that. Back up, and then you can get Maya laying down in between them.
Maggie.
Don't try to bite me. Look at Terry. Sit.
Oh, now I gotta go over here.
These are the two puppies. And then there's Maya right in the middle. Maya, come. Here, you want a treat? I can get her to sit there. Sit. Sit.
Maya.
And turn that way now. Here, Maya, sit.
Couldn't get Maggie very well because she's hiding.
Meg, up. Up, Meg.
Maggie. There you go.
Hurry up.
Stay. Oh, there we go.
Hurry up. Oh, you should have got a couple there.
Oh, well,
Right.
those are the three puppies. All right.
Alright, calm down.
Looks like they're calming down now.
There you go.
Bye. Say bye. We'll go see the bossy one. She's in the pool like it's her. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This doesn't look good.